What's good with the 2.0 family, man? It's your boy Sneakahead Diz, and we back with another freaking video, man. Hey, look, check me out, though. Check me out. I know you ain't seen my face in a minute, man. Look, I've been grinding, man. I've been taking care of myself, as always. I've been doing my thing. You know what I'm saying? Jay got back in the gym. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see, but boy, hey, your boy gets swole on them folks. Get swole on them folks. Hey, you better stop playing with those Sneakahead dig, boy. Your boy getting swole on them folks. Getting swole, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm getting ready for the summertime. Summertime fine, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to, hey, you already know what's going on, man. But your boy Lil Dez, he back at it today, man. He got something special planned for you, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. I ain't gonna keep y'all long in this video, man. So y'all make sure y'all watch the whole complete video to see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you can read the title. You already know what's going down, man. So let's get into it, bro. Alright, boom. So I'm chilling, right? You know what I'm saying? Y'all know how I be chilling, like how I be chilling, bro. You know how I be chilling. Come on, bro. Boom. So I'm chilling, right? You know what I'm saying? Then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, bro, out of thin air, I get this email on my cellular device. You know what I'm saying? It's Leo. It's your boy. It's my boy. My boy Leo from Aofeila, Sneakahead, man, he hit me up. He said, hey, I see your video, man. I see your content, man. I love what you're doing, little bro. Like, for real, man. You hard, little bro. You hard. You be up like, hey, man, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it, big bro, man. Hey, it mean a lot coming from you, for real, man. Like, for real. I like what you're doing over there, too. So he said, bet. You know what I'm saying? We chopped it up. Woo, woo. Check this out, right? I got these new Sneakahead 2.0. I know you Sneakahead 2.0. Now, look, man, I got the 2.0 Sneakahead, bro. I got them for you. He said, I got them for you, man. He said, look, I'm gonna send you these bad boys over. You do a review on them, you know what I'm saying? Like, woo, woo, you know what I'm saying? Make some content out of them, woo, woo. And, yeah, we hurt. You know what I'm saying? Hey. But nah, though, family, man, my guy Leo at Aofeila decided to send your boy some Sneakahead, bro. Fairly new company, bro, he got going on. So he decided to send your boy some Sneakahead, bro. I'm excited. I'm excited to do this video on him, bro. I appreciate you even thinking about me, bro. Like, bro, I appreciate you reaching out as well, man. You know what I'm saying? Much love. Much love, you know what I'm saying? But let's get to this freaking video, man. Let's get to this freaking review, dog. So check this out, man. And I got the package, bro. You know what I'm saying? I had got another package in pretty much at the same time. And I didn't know these was coming through Amazon, so I was like wondering, like, what the hell is this, bro? I didn't order two things, I ordered one thing, but I had realized, like, my boy Leo, he sent it through Amazon, so you know what I'm saying? So I slightly opened it up. I ain't opened it all the way up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna check it out right here. See what's going on with these, man. Okay. Let's see, man. Hey, first deal, man. Y'all getting it first hand, bro. First hand, man. Okay, then. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. I'm gonna take some out the pack so y'all can see what's going on with these right here, bro. Alright, so how these go right here, right? I don't know if y'all can actually see. It's a left and it's a right side. If y'all can, you know what I'm saying, get that. Yeah, y'all see that? It look good. Y'all see it. I'm gonna get B-rolls of that, man. Hopefully they just shot past your fade right now. But yeah, man, left and right side. They actually remind me of force fields. They not like the actual sneaker shot. I actually got me a pair of sneaker shields right here to actually compare. But as you guys can see, man, they completely different from Sneakahead, but they completely different, bro. They actually like force fields. You know what I'm saying? They're a whole lot smaller. It's a foam-like material. The differences with Sneakaheads and these, they both got airways, but Sneakaheads are plastic and these are like a foam-like material, pretty much like force fields as well, you know what I'm saying? So he also sent me a couple black pairs as well, you know what I'm saying? Really don't know like what's the difference between the white and the black. I'm sure that it isn't a difference. I think it's just like a color preference or whatever, but yeah, man, white and black, bro, white and black. Y'all can see, bro, there's really no difference. I don't know if it's a size difference or what, Well, no, it ain't really just too much of a size difference. I feel like it's just really just color preference or whatever. It really don't matter to me anyway, you know what I'm saying? I ain't racist, bro, and I don't discriminate. So white or black, we can make it an Oreo. It don't even matter. But nah, family, I know why y'all here, man. Y'all actually see what these things gonna do on feet. How they hold off against the actual sneaker shoes, brother. The first sneaker shoes, brother. The OG sneaker shoes. How they go against them, bro? You know what I'm saying? We finna get to this freaking experiment, bro. I'm gonna go 3 days, bro. I'm gonna go 3 days wearing these to see. You know what I'm saying? I wanna see how these gonna fare up on my shoes, bro. Let me show y'all my shoes, right? Just cop something hard, bro. Y'all probably already got these, bro. I'm late to the party. Y'all know I've been taking care of myself, man. You know what I'm saying? Just cop me something, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, but it ain't really nothing too major. It ain't nothing too major, bro. I seen these in the store the other day, and I had the copy, bro. It was a cop, you know what I'm saying? It was sitting, bro. I like this color, bro. Personally, bro. They just call it the tropical, damn, what they call it? Tropical, I don't know. Tropical Jordan 1s, bro. I'm calling them tropical, bro. You know what I'm saying? They hard, bro. They remind me of Miami or something. I would do a review on these, but no matter of fact, comment down below if you guys want to see a review on this sneaker right here, bro. But these pretty much the sneakers I'm gonna be working with on this 3-day experiment, man. So I'm excited, bro. I hope y'all excited, man. I want to see if these bad boys gonna work, bro. You know what I'm saying? I want to, hey, Leo, I'm counting on you, bro. I'm counting on you, Leo, to keep my shoes intact. At least for the most part, 3 days, bro. Not a long time, bro. So if you can hold off for 3 days, bro, at least 3 days. Come on, man. Come on, man. You already know, man. You already know what's going down, man. So we're finna get this 3-day experiment started, man. I'm excited, like I said, and I hope y'all are too. So let's get to it, bro. Alright, family, man, so we downtown right now, and you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be doing the first day I experiment down here, man. Right now it's a little bit late, so I just decided to like come downtown, bro, and just take me a little walk, bro. A 2-mile walk. I feel like a 2-mile walk would be perfect, bro. It's perfect, bro. It's way more than enough time to show actual wear in the shoe, bro. 2 miles, 1 mile, really, brand new shoes, bro. Come on, bro. I'm doing 3 days out of this, so even though I pretty much wouldn't be able to wear them a full day, I feel like 2 miles would be perfect, bro. It'd be perfect, you know what I'm saying? So got the kicks right here, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna give y'all one more look on them bad boy before I slide them in my feet. Get a good look at them, man. They're looking pretty good, man. They're looking pretty good, you know what I'm saying? I'm just hard, bro. What y'all think about these, bro? They hard, you know what I'm saying? They hard, man. They hard. I ain't gonna lie, they hard. And I'm gonna be inserting the black shields over the white shield with these sneakers because I feel like black just went better, bro. White with a darker shoe, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna go with dark instead of dark with light, you know what I'm saying? So it just made sense to me, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day. But it really didn't matter overall though, but you know what's going on. Come on, bro, come on. But anyway, bro, we're finna get to this little video, man, and let's see, man. Day 1, bro. Let's get it. Alright now, family, man, I'm on my little stroll right now, and to make sure that I walk 2 miles, bro, I got my little step counter, and I got the outdoor walking distance counter or whatever on my Apple Watch. Y'all know how the Apple Watch go, bro. I got that junk to ensure that I walk the amount of miles that I plan to walk, you know what I'm saying? Let me give y'all a brief look at them bad boys. Bye. Let me give y'all a look, man, before we fully start. That thing killer, boy. That thing killer, man. I ain't got on no killer fit. I just got on, you know what I'm saying, a little cooler pair of jogger, but thing hard, man. That teal hit, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, we gonna see how this go, man. This day 1 of the 3-day challenge, bro. We finna get it. Let's get it in, man. Let's get it. Alright, man, so we over 2 miles now, and it's dark as hell, as y'all can see. I guess that's pretty much it for the day, man. That's pretty much a day's worth of walking. A whole lot of goddamn walking, man. A whole lot of goddamn walking. More walking than a whole lot of people do in a day. So I definitely consider that a day's worth of walking. Yeah, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow, bro, and yeah. Let me get my butt back to the house, man. I'm gonna see y'all. Alright, now family, man, we on day 2. Day 2 of this 3-day experiment, man. 3-day experiment, and we got good news and we got bad news, you know what I'm saying? Which one you want first, bro? Which one you want first? So the good news is that, man, the sneaker shields are completely comfortable, bro. Like, when I was walking yesterday, man, it felt like I ain't have nothing in my shoe, like, completely, like, bro. It was just like, I ain't take my sole out. I ain't cut nothing off the shield or nothing, but I just stuck it in my shoe. Did, you know what I'm saying, walk like I normally walk, travel like I normally travel. And, hey, no complaints, bro. No complaints there, man. The shoes, by the way, the shoes, hey, they hard though. They hard though, hey. Bad news that I forgot to actually get photos of the sneakers beforehand to show y'all before and after comparisons. Pretty much comparing the sneakers from beforehand, before they were even worn, to 3 days in, 3 days wearing them with the shields in, right? Another major thing that I forgot from the start of this experiment was that I put the shields in both shoes, you know what I'm saying? So it's like at the end of the experiment, how can you see, like how can you tell the performance of the shield by having both shields in both shoes? You know what I'm saying? Like, it really didn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? I thought about that while I was walking. I was like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so what I'm gonna be doing on day 2 is I'm gonna be taking the shield out of one of the shoes so we can get an accurate comparison on what the shoe is like with and without the shield, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's just only makes sense, bro. And I'm gonna also get photos of what the sneakers look like after day 1, since I didn't get pictures in the beginning. So I took the shield out the left side shoe, so if the right side come out looking better after this experiment done, bro, this will let y'all know if this product could go, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can't be biased, bro. You know what I'm saying? I gotta keep it 100. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it 100. Anyway, man, to keep this video from being no longer than it already is, bro, we finna take a little stroll. I'm gonna just walk around the corner. I can't act like I got somewhere to pee today. So I'm gonna just take a little stroll around the block, come back, you know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be my day 2 of walking, man. Let's get it. Family, man, we done with the 3-day experiment, man. Now it's time for the results. Now, mind you, my before photos are from the day after my first day of the challenge. Now, mind you, my before photos are from the day after my first day of the challenge. As I explained earlier in the video, that I forgot to actually take photos of the sneakers beforehand, before the challenge. And I also took the sneaker shield out the left side shoe to pretty much show a comparison on what the sneakers are with and without the sneaker shield. So pretty much what we're doing a comparison on is what the sneakers look like after our day 1 and after our day 3. Pretty much comparing the damage of when we took the sneaker shield out the left side shoe versus when we had it in, compared to the right side shoe that actually did and continued to have the sneaker shield in. Golly, man, it took so much out of me to explain that. But anyway, bro, let's get to the photos, bro, before and after. So tell me, guys, did that left side sneaker get worse after we took the sneaker shield out compared to the right side shoe that continued to have the sneaker shield in? Now, if you a bit indecisive, man, feel free to go back and look at the before and after photos. Now, me personally, bro, just seeing this from a first-hand point of view, man, right in my face, I can definitely see that the left side shoe, when I took the sneaker shield out, seemed to have gotten worse compared to the right side shoe that continued to keep the sneaker shield in. Now, I don't know, bro. I might be wrong, bro. Comment down below what you think, bro. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I may be kind of, you know what I'm saying? I may be a little bit biased right now, bro. But I'm just going off of what I see. I may be blind. May have to take my glasses off. You know what I'm saying? May have to clean my glasses a little bit. Comment down below, bro, what you guys think. But overall, family, man, I can say that the product is very decent. You know what I'm saying? Very good alternative to sneaker shields, the actual sneaker shields, bro. A lot of people have complaints about sneaker shields, saying they quite uncomfortable, bro. They quite uncomfortable. And when you continuously buy sneaker shields, bro, they can get a bit costly. Just one pair of the original sneaker shields cost you $14.99, bro. With these, man, you can get 6 pair of these for $14.99 for the price of one of these. One of these, you can get 6 of these. Well, you can't beat that with a stick, dog. So should you try these out? Hey, it's worth it, bro. Hey, test the water a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you spending money anyway, you might as well spend about, you know what I'm saying, $15, $16 on you a pair of these, man. Hey, it won't hurt at all, bro. If you want to check these out, guys, man, the link gonna be in the description below. He offering a 10% off deal right now. The exclusive 10% off promo code is 10SHIELD-ALL. So check it out, bro. Get you 10% off of these shields, bro. Hey, you know what I'm saying? It's worth a try, bro. It's worth a shot. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna link all my guys' social medias down below. So if you want to check them out any further, man, everything gonna be down in the description below, bro. So check them out, bro. He dope. Appreciate you, my guy Leo, man, for reaching out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Us being able to formulate a deal the way we did, man. I appreciate that, man. I just appreciate it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's all love, man. It's all love, bro. But till next time, family, man. Hey, your boy Sneakahead Dead's out, bro. I'ma holler at y'all, bro. In 3, 2, 1.